How to fix and solve login problem in Glovo application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix and solve login problem on Glovo application. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is working on your device. You could also try to toggle on and off the airplane mode or switch network and check if that will help you solve your problem or not. If that still does not help you, then close the app completely from your recent application and then reopen the application and then try to log in again, and that may help you. If that still does not help you and if you're still not able to sign in, make sure that your application is up to date. So for now, you have to open up Google Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Glovo application and check if the application needs update or not. If you find the update button there, make sure that you update the application, since outdated version may block login. So make sure that your application is up to date in your device. And if that still does not help you, then open up settings in your device. Then you could head over to apps, tap on Glovo from the recently opened application. Once you're here, head over to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. And if this problem or if the problem continues, you could also tap on clear storage and then tap on OK. After that, you could close settings and then reopen Glovo, and you have to log in again, and that will help you solve your problem. And if you're using phone number to sign in into Glovo application, make sure that the application has permission to access your SMS. So to check for the permissions, head over to settings, tap on apps, again head over to Glovo, tap on permissions, and here make sure that you allow permission for the contact and all the permissions that are required, since it will send the OTP if you're trying to log in via phone number. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you're having problem while logging in into Glovo application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.